Alright traders, welcome. So today is 7th of February 2020. So we are now live day trading WTI NYMEX. So in this video I'll show you how I do day trading crude oil market WTI NYMEX. So I just sent out a live signal from my Telegram channel, which is to short sell the market. I have revised the position. First entry at 50.08 at the bottom of the market price, but now more earlier from my setup, so to enter the market at 50.27 and exit at 50.10. So this will hopefully will be a quick one, so let's wait and see. Hopefully everything will be fine. And let's go back to the chart. So we are now almost equal to the entry level, so try to protect it, not to waste any position. So you can see there's a good red candle at first. Now there's a looks like a reversal, so have to be more careful. So let's take a look on the volume. Okay, there's a high volume 141 waiting at 50.15. This is quite interesting, but we will exit at 50.10. Hope can exit nicely at over there, and also 400 plus at 50.00. There's a sure thing that the market will go to this direction, but at this moment we are minus 7 ticks. So let's hope price will go further down back. Okay, doesn't looks good. So minus 13 ticks at this moment. So we have to be more careful at this moment. No, price did reverse back, but our stop loss is somewhere here at this high level. So let me indicate this. This should be I put it a green line, so this is where the stop loss is supposed to be at 47, if I'm not mistaken. Let's take a look back to our Telegram channel. So by the way, there's a link below in the description. You can find the link which is I mentioned where the stop loss should be in case the price reverse back at 50.47. So we hope this big red candle at this moment, so we can exit the market as fast as we could. So just need to be more careful on the current market situation. Okay, I need to include my stop loss for this trade, which is at 47. Okay, the stop loss already been placed, and for this one also I need to put a stop loss at this moment, minus 25 US dollars. So the stop loss is at 47.475. so this will be my stop loss. So by the way, this one is under a mini account, mini crude oil. So this is a live account, all is live account, and there's others account. Okay, looks good, plus 4 ticks. So there's let's take a look on the volume. We can see there's a high volume at 50.20, interesting, 50.15, and some more at 400 plus at 50.00, which is good indication that the market will go towards this direction. This is quite good for us because we are on the short sell position. And bawah. So still around 4 ticks or 5 ticks at this moment. Hopefully still waiting. But for the other account, actually we already profit around 250 just now with a good short sell during the London session. So this one I need to get ready to exit just to protect my profit for this account. Okay, looks tough. But sure thing market will go down at this moment. Looks like there's a high demand at 50.00, which is around 400. Is extremely high compared to a normal 100 plus or 200. So by the way, there's a link below in the description, feel free to click on it. Might be helpful for you guys. So if you like to catch my live signal broadcast, so just join in, no problem. So you will get you'll be directed to the private channel. So inside the channel you will receive uh, uh, entry, the stop loss, and also the take profit activity. So there's a two type of trading I do here. One is the epic trade, the one you are watching now, and the other one is a level 3 setup, which is more risk but more gain as well. And yep, suppose this trade, epic trade, will be a fast one, but so let's wait and see. Hope everything's okay. Okay, this one need to be careful, although this one is a mini account, but still have to protect the profit and make sure we are making money. In case the price reverse back, then I need to exit immediately to get ready to go flat. By the way, I'm using CQG platform. I'm using broker MV futures. So one contract, normal contract size for crude oil is 1000 US dollar. But still about 2 ticks, 3 ticks. I need to be careful. If the price have sense to reverse back, then I need to inform the traders to exit immediately. But looks like we have a good indication for us. So I also need to prepare for natural gas later on. Okay, doesn't look good. Still at the entry level if the price reverse back. So the crude oil 50.24, high volume at 50.15, so around 12 tick from our entry. So start to move. Is it? So let's wait. Normally this epic trade will not take a longer time, but an exception for today, maybe 4 minutes or 5 minutes could be reached to 15 to 20 minutes. Still it's quite hard for the market to penetrate to the downside, so I need to make sure. No, actually we can't do anything because this is market. We just write in and take profit and exit. That's how we do it. Okay, now we are about 10 ticks, sorry, 1 ticks, 10 US dollar. Still waiting, but there's a good support here, maybe like a breakout, but I'm not sure, really not sure for this one. So have to be patient. Hopefully the price will go further down. I might increase my stop loss as well, sorry, my taking profit activity to 0 maybe. Okay, let's do some more in case there's more opportunity to the downside. Okay, now the price have gone back to our entry price level, which is at 50.27. So the stop loss is at 47. So another 20 ticks. Whoa, this is not good. This is not good. So we have placed our stop loss. So if anything by chance it hit the stop loss, then that's it. There's not much can be said. Just a bad trading day, just very unlucky, and it's normal in the market. Alright traders, in the market already. Still not yet exit our position, but at this moment looks quite good because slow internet. Okay, so back to this account. So this account looks like no problem. Okay, still minus, and then price reverse back. Okay, we hit. Oh no, not yet hit. It's just a reversal of the market. Need to be more careful. It was very unfortunate. We did hit the stop loss. So well, minus 200 today. although the market might go further down because there's a strong demand on the bottom side. Okay, maybe just not our day today. Just not our day. It's not our day today. Okay, another losses. Okay, maybe I wait some more at the bottom side here to do a recovery. Okay guys, I think that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.